Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your house on SnapMap. So it's an extremely easy process. Go to your Snapchat. Then just simply go to the account section at the top right hand side corner. Then just simply scroll down to the very bottom and you should be able to see your map location. So click on the sharing location option. And then over here, in order to change the location, you have to suggest a new place. So click on this option, suggest a place. Name, let's say for example office, and address will be the same as it is shown. Just type down your address, and then in the category you can just simply pick any one of them, and the moment you will choose any one of them, the symbol will also identify as that. Like for example, if you choose a bar, you will have a bar symbol. Airport, you will have an airport symbol, and just like that, just choose your desired symbol or category. And then in the attribute section, just choose any one of the options and then click on submit. And then once you do that, it will go in a state of review. So the service system of Snapchat will review your application and see if it is true or not. And if it is true, they will change your location and the icon of that location. So that's it. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.